Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy M14. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with PLS LCD display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. 4. The software. The handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 5.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz. Quad-core Cryo 265 Gold plus 1.9 GHz Quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB of extended RAM and 64 GB, 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 78 by 9 mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. The color options: sapphire blue, Arctic blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M14 4G has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, 29,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $108, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 11,999 Indian rupees, 39,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $144. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy M14 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.